fun and unique way of working. So I'm going to share with you some of my favorite ways to work with a tarot card in a spell. All right. So get your pens out, your notebook, because you're going to want to write these down. The first one that I love to do is to carry a card with you. I love the idea of carrying an image from the tarot with us. Now, when I say carrying it with you, it could be physically taking a card out of a deck or using a printout out of a computer, but it could also be finding an image on the internet and using that as your home screen on your phone. That's another way to carry the card with you. Carrying the card with you can bring the energy of the card into your life. So, for example, you can look up or you can find a card that is about the topic that you want to manifest and then carry that with you. For example, maybe you wanted to get a raise at work. So you might pick one of the cards that's in the pentacles because those have to do with money. They're gold coins that they're holding. Maybe you want the Six of Pentacles with the rich person, the rich man, giving the poorer people some gold, like giving them gold coins and putting them in their hands. That would be a great card to carry in your wallet when you were going to ask your boss for a raise, for example. Or maybe you want to have a new love in your life. So you pick the Two of Cups with the couple looking into each other's eyes and toasting each other with a golden goblet. That would be a fantastic one for bringing in love, and so on. So when you start to know a little bit about the meanings, whether you look them up or you're already familiar with the cards, you can start to see how you can use them in your magic. So carrying your card is one of those ways.